It's the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Thursday, the 17th of June. I'm Michael Groff. Excessive and dangerously hot temperatures will remain the story here across the Southwest into the weekend, with some reprieve from the heat by early next week as high temperatures fall closer to seasonal averages. What about rain chances? We will see isolated showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain, but will any of those make it into the lower deserts? And we'll also take a look at that smoke from the distant wildfires and see if that will impact our weather as well. All right, let's get into it first. Yesterday, we did it again, 115 degrees, tying a record for the date. The morning low was 90, the normal high 105, the normal low 79. And as we take a look outside right now here at 6:35 a.m., a little bit of haze out there thanks to that lofted smoke from the Telegraph fire well off to the east of us. And we're starting out very warm, 91 degrees at Sky Harbor. That's been the low so far this morning. Dew point sitting at 47, relative humidity 21%. The winds are light and the barometer is steady. Temperatures out there this morning, 82, the cool spot at Fort McDowell. Otherwise, we are in the mid-80s to even a few middle 90s through the metro. The upper air look, it's the same old story here. Big high pressure across the southwestern United States centered over the Four Corners. But it is very slowly beginning to go through a weakening phase. And even though the ridge is weakening slightly, we won't really feel the impacts of that for a couple more days. In fact, it may actually get hotter today and tomorrow as we'll see less clouds, moisture, and smoke across the valley. Here's the watch warning map. Heat advisories over the nation's midsection. Excessive heat warnings and high fire danger is the story out here through the west. In Phoenix, our excessive heat warning continues until 8 p.m. Sunday. All of your heat safety precautions should be taken through then, including limiting your outdoor exposure during maximum daytime heating, especially between 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. If you have to be outside, bring plenty of water with you. Drink lots of water. Keep those pets indoors. Wear a hat. Wear sunscreen. Bring an umbrella with you. All of the usual stuff we've been talking about for the last several days. Here's the convective outlook. We've got the enhanced risk of severe storms. That's level 3 out of 5 for parts of Iowa, Minnesota, Wisconsin, and Illinois. Here across Arizona, parts of the state in the green, so there could be at least some isolated showers and thunderstorms, mainly across the northern portion of our state today and over in the eastern mountains. Unlikely that we'll see anything in the lower deserts. And as we look at the tropics, we still have this disturbance over the Bay of Campeche, the National Hurricane Center, giving this an 80% probability of development. And the big threat from this will be heavy rain for parts of the Gulf Coast. Exactly where this system goes, still a little bit up in the air. The tropical models picking up on this have shifted a little further to the west. So from southeast Texas through Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, watch out for the potential of very heavy rain in coming days, especially starting tomorrow and continuing over the weekend. We would love to see some soaking tropical rains here across the Southwest, but it's probably not going to happen. This is the precipitation outlook valid through next Thursday morning. No rain expected here in the valley, not a whole lot statewide either. Some light totals up north, but that's about it. And storms will become less numerous in coming days as drier air works. And we'll talk about all of the details of it now as we take a look at modeling. Here we go. This is the GFS, the 06Z run valid at 2 o'clock this afternoon. 594 ridge here across the Southwest. Yes, those upper heights have actually come down a little bit. And you might think that translates to slightly lower temperatures, but actually down at the surface today with less cloud cover around and with a more southeasterly component to the mid-level winds, I think the smoke from the Telegraph fire stays out of the valley, or at least mostly so. We probably will see a little bit of haze from time to time, though. So that might mean temperatures warm up a couple of degrees. We'll see highs 113 to 117 for the metro today, and isolated showers and thunderstorms over the higher terrain, but they should stay away from us. Tonight, mostly clear skies, some haze settling in here after midnight, and overnight lows 80s to low 90s. And then tomorrow, some haze in the morning, otherwise mostly sunny sky, and high temperatures 113 to 117. Some model guidance pushes us just a bit hotter than that. I still think the wildfire smoke is a bit of a wild card in the forecast, but I think we are going to see record temperatures continuing regardless. Here we go to Saturday. The ridge continues to weaken and drifting to the west, but the heat will still be with us with dry air around. High temperatures 112 to 116. On Sunday, the ridge continues to weaken, heights coming down further, highs 110 to 114. The sky remains sunny Any thunderstorm activity should be confined to the southeastern portion of the state at best, and probably not many even down there. Monday, temperatures continue to trend down, highs somewhere between 104 and 108, 103 to 107 on Tuesday with a mostly sunny sky continuing. And more or less the same deal on Wednesday, but evidence that the ridge might start to build back in just a bit. So high temperatures may actually bounce back a couple of degrees. We could be close to 110 once again, especially over the hottest desert spots. And then a week from today, this is Thursday the 24th, troughing to the north and west, ridging to the south and east, a broad southwesterly flow for us. High temperatures right around 106 to 110. A little bit of moisture making its way into southeast Arizona and the east central mountains for widely scattered showers and thunderstorms there. But we would be dry here in Phoenix. Then, as we go out 10 days, this is Saturday the 26th, and that's not a good look. A 597 ridge across central California, and they would be scorching hot over there. All the way up into the Pacific Northwest, we would be very hot as well. High temperatures 110 plus. And certainly excessive heat may well return if this scenario plays out as advertised. But we've seen several different looks out here. But taking this at face value, we would be dry and very hot, if that's right. All right, looking at rainfall for Phoenix coming off of the European ensemble running out through the beginning of July. And how about a big old bag of nothing? And temperatures off the national blend of models, very hot. That's the bottom line. Up around 115 to 117 the next few days, and then we will gradually see temperatures lowering as we get out there toward the beginning of next week, but not by much, and probably the excessive heat returns by the end of next week if model trends pan out as advertised. And that's going to do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. If you enjoy these videos, be sure to subscribe, like, share, and click that notification bell so that whenever a brand new video is posted, you'll get the notice. Your comments, questions, and suggestions always encouraged as well. I thank you so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. You guys be safe, stay cool, and hydrated out there. Watch those kids around the swimming pool, and have yourselves a beautiful Thursday.